Hi, this video is about virtual job shadowing. It is an app or a program that we have available to our students to help kind of figure out what careers and job interests that you might have. So first you're going to log into your PowerSchool account and you're going to click on the blue Clever icon. Sometimes I have to click twice. It's going to take me to Clever. First, you might have a screen that pops up that says log in with either NC EdCloud or Google, and you're going to log in with NC EdCloud, and then it's going to take you to this page. So you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom to the virtual job shadowing site, and you're going to click on that icon and it is going to log you in. Some of you might have even used Clever in some of your classes. So virtual job shadowing is a complete site that it has loads of jobs and career interests for you. So if you have an idea of what you want to do later on in life, or you have no idea of what you want to do later in life, this maybe will help you. But I'm going to show you a couple of tools that maybe will assist you. So if you'll go up to the top and you'll click on Tools and Assessments. Now assessments normally mean test, but this isn't a bad test. You can't get anything wrong because it is all about you, okay? So you're actually going to do this Career Clusters Inventory Survey, and you would hit Start New, okay? I'm not going to start new because I've already got one that I've kind of been working on. Okay, so I'm going to click continue here so I can just kind of continue with the one that I have. So it's got some basic instructions here, and then it has just a simple questions, learning skills that can save lives. So it's going to ask a series of things, and depending on, do you like that, dislike it, you're going to kind of rate it. So learning skills that can save lives like CPR, I'm kind of neutral on that one. Studying anatomy and physiology, I'm not really liking science, so I'm going to dislike. Stay calm during emergencies. Yes, I do like to stay calm during emergencies. Repairing and refurbishing cars, that's not really something that I'm into. So being politically active, I'm going to go with neutral on that. Putting things together efficiently. I really like putting things together efficiently. Protecting the environment, I definitely like that. So you're going to like educating others, definitely like that. So you're just going to go through, there's 102 questions. Now, I know you think 102 questions, actually it'll take you less than 5 minutes to answer all these. You can see how quick I'm going through them, okay? So then you would hit submit. Okay, so I'm going to go back and it would give you your results. I'm going to go back to mine because I've already done the whole thing and it's given me my results. So I did this back in October. My results are pretty much going to be the same. So I did the results. And so what it is going to do, that based on those 102 questions and my answers, it has given me my top career clusters that I kind of match my interest, okay? So you can see my top ones are education and training and human services. Now I'm going to scroll down, and all of these are what we call career clusters, okay? So there's ones in all different areas. Okay, so the top two that I have are education and training and human services. I kind of tied on those so I can kind of go with either. So I'm just going to click on this. And so in each career cluster, they list all these different jobs that are available in that cluster. Hey, and look, school counselor is there. So maybe I'm doing what I'm supposed to because I'm a school counselor. So anyway, but you can scroll down. You can check all these jobs in that career cluster out. And I'm going to click on this one. So if it has the little blue arrow, that means that there's a video with it, okay? So what they've done basically with this site is that they've interviewed people that have done each of these jobs, and they kind of do a day in the life of. And so you can watch the video. Most of them, look, this one's a minute and 49 seconds long. Most of them are less than 5 minutes. And they just kind of go through and tell you about that job. And they also have some question and answer videos, like they maybe have asked that that specific person some questions and they video their answers, okay? They also have career description about that job. They have required education, which is always important to find out. Do you need a 2-year degree for this job? Do you need a 4-year degree? Can you just have a certification? Earnings, hey, money. You want to know how much money you can make with each job. You can even here actually change whatever state it is. I was going to say, I picked child care worker to click on, and every state's going to need child care workers, so they're probably pretty average there. Future outlook, it tells you like, hey, is this job going to be around for a while, or is it kind of getting extinct? Some additional links, college searches, job and internships, or related careers. Okay, so related careers is going to kind of take me back to all those that I was in at first. So I'm going to go back to, I'm just going to go back, and I can actually even download my results so that I have a copy of them. See, there's all my results that I can take with me. But I'm going to go back to my results, and some of these other areas, okay, so lots of people are interested in health science, like nursing, doctor, that kind of thing. But any of these areas, you can search and see, you know, hey, chiropractor, my husband's had to go to the chiropractor lately. You can see kind of a day in their life of their job, what they do. This one, they've actually asked some different questions. Again, career description, required education, earnings, future. Oh, see, they got a lot. They got some high earnings. See, future outlook, that kind of thing. So this is just a great tool for you to just explore and help you to figure out, maybe especially if you have no idea what you want to do. Also, when we're in school regularly, we have a career development coordinator, and the career development coordinator can actually set you up with job shadowing. At our school, students can job shadow, which is where they can go hang out with someone at a job for a day, or for either half a day or a whole day once a semester. So it has to be pre-approved, and you have to go through the career development coordinator for that information, but it's really cool. I remember years ago I used to do it, and it's really great job shadowing to find out if you really do like a job, or maybe you think you like that job, but it's not what you thought it was going to be. I had a student formerly who, she said, I want to be a veterinarian. And so I set her up to go to a vet hospital. She came back and she said, I don't want to do that. I'm like, why? You've said you wanted to do this since you were like 8 years old. And she said, they let me go into the surgeries, and I almost got sick and passed out. I can't do that. And I said, well, it's better that you found that out today than, you know, going through a lot of school and finding it out later, right? So that's a great thing about job shadowing, real job shadowing or virtual job shadowing. So this kind of just gives you an idea. And based on your interest, we might have some classes that you can sign up for, elective classes here at school that pair with your interests. So once you kind of figure out what your interests are, talk to your school counselor and see if we have any classes that you can take related to that. Okay. Thanks for listening. Let us know if you have any questions. Just email your school counselor if you do. And hope you have a great day. Bye.